Hi, I'm Alex. The corona pandemic has had a major impact on our everyday lives. Hygiene, health, and safety have taken on a completely new importance. Even though a lot of work has already been undertaken in this respect, there are unfortunately still some gaps and weaknesses in this area. Even if we stay home, we can't eliminate all risks. We still need to shop. Although now, increasingly more so online. But even here, things can be better protected. For example, with the new antiviral film solutions from POLIFILM. Delivered goods pass through many hands before they finally reach you. POLIFILM's antiviral films ensure that no unwanted guests, such as the coronavirus, travel with these goods to you. That was quick. Super, thanks. Let's see. All antivirally prepared and, of course, recyclable. Antiviral air cushions and packaging. Also, the shipping label is safe. Yes, even the doorbell can be protected against viruses and bacterial infestation. Goods delivered safely and more hygienically. More protection, even online, with POLIFILM.